AssetWhere is a great tool to support schools in tracking their room function use. This is a screenshot showing the room function here, and this key information is available with each of the individual rooms that are shown in a school or organisation. So this is showing here that the woodwork room is a teaching workspace. So what it enables schools and organisations to do is to understand the uses of their spaces in their buildings. And if they want to conduct a review, they can identify, for example, they need more teaching workspaces, teaching spaces. So what rooms could they potentially convert? And they can easily edit the room functions. So let's have a look. Come into AssetWhere and I'm going to select the ground level rooms. So it gives me the room name. When I select room function, it adds this color overlay showing not only the room name, but the color coding for that type of room. So this aqua color, the room function is teaching. So you can see there's a lot of that aqua through the school. The wood breakdown is considered a storage area. And slightly lighter purple here, this is considered a staff teaching area. The green has been designated by the school as a student area, so there's not so many of them, and the yellow areas are designated as student movement by the school. It's completely up to the school how they do that. Schools can also add legends to these maps to show you the color coding and how the room function's been configured by the school. These can then be printed. The other thing is that in each of these individual rooms can also be updated. So you can now change that room function really easily. For example, let's say I want to convert it into a teaching workspace. So really simple and easy to do. So schools can configure these lookup tables to suit themselves, to identify the various room uses that they've got, and then really consider how they can potentially start converting some of these room spaces if they needed to.